Well guys, 0.88. Is this a sell signal? Stop loss above the highs. Sell. GP. Stop loss could be even tighter. Double down. Now my TP. Golden zone. And yeah, see what happens. Got stopped out of that trade, guys, the first time, but that's because the 0.88 was taken from this high, when especially on lower time frame, you should be taking it from the whole move, not just that one. So we SFP this high and we're doing the 88 again, so I shorted risking 1%. I'm a little bit confident. I could target the golden zone for 3RR. See what happens. That should, yeah, my loss. Anyway, we'll see what happens. Currently the trade is playing out somewhat. I've gotten rid of my TP because in the book I am reading it says pretty much in summary, let your winners run, no point setting take profits because the market's here to surprise you. But I have set an alert at my 3RR take profit, just just to see. And yeah, I'm gonna let this one run. Well, we'll see. Alright guys, my 3RR alarm went off. As you can see, we got a bounce, but we kind of rejected off to 786. Stop loss still intact at the same place. Sometimes after hitting the 0.88, there's 3 scenarios can happen, 4 scenarios can happen after we hit the 0.88. We hit the 0.88 and we just keep going. That's 1. The second scenario, we hit the 0.88, we come down to the golden zone, that's 2. The third scenario is we hit the 0.88, we go past the golden zone into the 0.5, we hit the 0.5 and then we go up. The fourth scenario is we hit the 0.88 and we just dump. So I imagine it's a 25% chance, but a chance nonetheless. Right now I am up currently more than 3RR, you can see here, and I set an alert at the 0.5 and we'll see what happens. This kind of looks to me that we want to break down, guys. The way we're just bouncing up in between, I have a feeling we could break below the golden zone and come as low as 0.5. Should be interesting, guys. Got alerts set. After just rewatching this video where I basically say this, on the larger time frame, this could be the 5th wave to go and claim the high, which would completely invalidate my position and stop me out. So my bias is to go and claim the high. Yeah, I am here shorting, and most of all, not taking profit at support, which is so clearly the golden zone. But I'm willing to take the risk. This is all about learning. Alright guys, you can see we broke down, we hit that 0.5, my alarm went off. Currently up 5RR. Ideally I should take full profit. If this was a real account, I would have taken full profit. Possibly even at the golden zone. But yeah, I mean, we could still go a lot lower, which is what I'm testing. But there is a chance still that price can just reverse at the 0.5 and go and stop me out claiming the high since we tapped the 0.88. But yes, I am currently testing to see for how long I can hold this for. Potentially, if larger time frame, higher time frame bias is telling me that if this is the 5th wave, then we're looking for that B, C, A, B, C. This is an A wave, that's the B wave, hitting the 0.88 from that move. Technically, we should be hitting lower levels, so let's see if I can use higher time frame bias, Elliott wave structure to predict the whole move, and then the entry is obviously on the lower time frame 0.88. But yeah, I don't know if any of that made sense, but it made sense in my head. That's what matters. But yeah, we'll just have to see what happens. Final update before I close the laptop, call it a night on the laptop. Currently bouncing up to 382, which doesn't really phase me. Currently up 4k. The most I saw was 5.5 or some shit. Let's find out. The most I saw was 6.3k, which pretty much is a 7RR. But yeah, I already said it once, not going to say it again, but I'm going to say it, is yeah, it's just a test really. Normally I would have taken profit at the golden zone, I would have been up secured 3RR, 3k. But because I didn't set a TP, well, you get the gist, don't you? I'm tired, I'm going to bed, good night. Good morning guys, it's nearly 8 AM the next day, and you can see I have been stopped out. However, the furthest we went down was a 13RR, which is the 0.786 extension of this whole move. You can see we got a little fake out below the trend line. So the ideal TP should have been the lows, which would have landed me a 10R trade before getting stopped out. And yeah, it's good to know. It's good to know. So in the future, whenever there's a B, we're looking for that C, or whatever the case may be, and we get in on a good entry at the 0.88. Would it be worth it to leave some open to claim the lows? I think so. But anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. I just got out of an ice bath and I'm feeling good and I'm about to go to the gym. And I hope you enjoy the rest of your day or night, and catch you in the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.